So I'd like to take the time now to talk to you a little bit about the varied teaching methods that we use here to deliver the chemistry course at Cardiff University. So if you log on to www.cardiff.ac.uk/chemistry, you can see our school's webpage, and within there then you can see there's an undergraduate course tab. You can see the different courses that we have on offer, the BSc and the MChem, and those years in industry or abroad as well. But within there you can get more details on the different modules that are delivered within each year. Just to give you an idea of how everything works within Cardiff, students study for 120 credits per year, and generally these are made up of either 10 or 20 credit modules. For the first year, students will study a variety of different types of chemistry, so physical, inorganic, organic, analytical and spectroscopic chemistry then make up 80 credits. We have a key skills module as well that makes up another 10 credits. So this gives students the main aspects of chemistry that they need then to form their basis of knowledge at year one. For the remaining 30 credits, students have the opportunity to study 3 from 5 optional modules at present from the school, and these are in areas of chemistry of the cosmos, environmental chemistry, forensic chemistry and energy resources and materials. We also have a module of mathematical methods for chemistry, so for those students that don't have maths at A level, this is the module that they would need to take to give them the numerical skills to cope with those aspects of that course. As you can appreciate, all the different schools within the university will have optional modules available as part of their degree schemes, and so there's an opportunity for students to take some of these optional modules in other schools as well here at Cardiff, and these are what we call freestanding options. So students can then study aspects of business, physics, music, humanities, just to have a little different flavour then to make up their 120 credits as part of their first year. Contact time per week is around 22 hours, so around 10 hours per week would be in a lecture theatre like this. As you can appreciate, chemistry is a very practical subject, so around 10 hours per week then is spent within the practical laboratory undertaking hands-on work. When you come to Cardiff, we'll put you in a tutorial group of around 10 students, and then we'll assign you 3 members of staff. One member of staff will have a specialism in organic chemistry, one in inorganic and one in physical chemistry. And we keep you with this trio of staff throughout your course as much as possible when you come to Cardiff. And then each week, one of those members of staff will actually teach your tutorial group their area of speciality, and they'll cycle through the semester then talking to you about different aspects but related to their research interests. Each member of academic staff within that tutorial trio will also act as personal tutor to 2 or 3 students within that tutorial group. So you have scheduled one-to-one time with a member of staff throughout your degree time here at Cardiff, so if there's ever a problem you can always speak to a member of academic staff. So we look to keep you within that tutorial group with that trio of academic staff, and also with that personal tutor as much as possible as you come through Cardiff, so you can build up relationships with those other students and staff whilst you're studying here. The other point of contact per week is through workshops, and these are in-class tests on the work that you've been delivered in that specific area, which will allow you to accrue credit for that module before you come to the exam at the end of the module. When students get to the final stage of their degree, they'll come out of the teaching laboratory, and then they will then use those skills that they've acquired undertaking a research project with an academic member of staff. Here is where they will spend a big slice of their final year undertaking novel research with an academic member of staff and their research group, looking on a very specific novel area of chemistry. Where do our students go once they graduate? So just to give you an idea, roughly around half of our graduates each year will look to undertake further study. So this can be in the form of either an MSc, a 1-year master's taught course, or then as a PhD, which would be a 3 or 4 year research degree afterwards. And a lot of the students that undertake their research project here at Cardiff will then stay on in Cardiff to undertake their PhD. So about 95% of this sector will be Cardiff graduates staying to do their postgraduate courses. About a third of our students will enter into employment as well, and they can be in a wide range of different areas. About 60% of that will be in industry, about a third will be in professions and commerce, and then the remainder in public service. One of the things to take away is that with a chemistry degree, you don't have to wear a white coat and glasses for the rest of your life. Obviously, it's a degree that's going to equip you for a career working in a laboratory environment, but that doesn't mean that that's all you'll be restricted to. Chemistry graduates are very employable, and this gives them a range of opportunities when they come to graduate to explore a range of different career pathways. Entry criteria for those of you looking to apply to come and study chemistry here at Cardiff. The offer that we make is very personalised, and it's based upon the A-level scores, the personal statement that you write in your UCAS form, and also your teacher or referee's report as well. So the range of offers that we will be making to applicants this year is between the AAB to 3Bs range, and we will be asking for a minimum of a B grade in chemistry. For those students that study in the Welsh Baccalaureate or the International Baccalaureate or any other sort of European or international qualification, your offer will be personalised to you then as well, but in line with that A-level grade range. We have a range of financial mechanisms in place to reward students here at Cardiff as well. So those students that select Cardiff as their first choice and then get 3 A's or above as part of their A-levels, they'll automatically be considered for one of our scholarships of £3,000. So this is something students don't have to apply for, but as long as they meet the eligibility criteria, this is something that we will award then over the first few weeks of the student's degree. For students that come from lower income backgrounds, there's a range of bursaries available from the university that you can access as well. These are in addition to your student loans. You don't have to pay them back, and so if you think that this is something, a situation you might fall into, have a look at the university's financial pages once your place is secured at Cardiff, and you can see what funds that you can tap into there. If you've got any questions, please do leave comments on the page, and we'll be glad to get back to you and answer those. That's not a problem. We've got a range of videos as well talking about the school, about the university, and about Cardiff as a city. So please explore those as well to get a good all-round image of what student life would be like here at Cardiff. Please follow us and have a look at our YouTube, Instagram and Twitter channels, and you can see what other people are saying about Cardiff as well. The university hosts a range of open days, around 4 each year, so please look on the university's website to see when the next one is, and please come along and see what the school and the university's got to offer. If you're looking to apply to come and study here, which we hope you do, please go through UCAS to make that course selection. If you've got any questions and you want to email the school directly, chemistry@cardiff.ac.uk, that's our email address. Please do get in touch, and we'd be glad to answer any questions that you have. So my name is Dr. Tom Tatchell. I'm the Education Students Manager here at the School of Chemistry, Cardiff University. It's been great talking to you, and I hope to see you here as a student of the school soon. Thank you.